Hi everybody, it's Izaak here, back with another fidget spinner video. The teacher Miss Mullen did me a fidget spinner today. This one, pink one. It doesn't. If you take these two white bits out, it doesn't really spin, dude. But if you put the two white bits in it, it will spin, dude. Watch. And just spin it like that, okay? It's easy peasy like that. It's not hard or anything like that. So I'm gonna play the music. And I want to say, before I end this video, I want to say shout out to Francesca Seals, even though she doesn't watch the channel anymore, but she's still a subscriber, so I'm still going to shout out to her, and Stephanie Moore, and Steven Twan, and all the other people in the studio. And I just want to say thank you for subscribing. I want to say thank you, Catherine, for subscribing, and thank you, David, for subscribing, and thank you, Francesca, for subscribing. I know you won't be watching the channel video, but if you do, please like down a comment if you do watch it, Francesca. And thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big like, or if you don't like it, give it a dislike, and hit the bell notification, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.